Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make iPhone say who is calling. Here are the steps to make your iPhone announce who is calling. First is to unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Scroll down, then go to the apps. Scroll again to find and tap the phone. Tap Announce Calls. Here, you'll see several options, like Always, Headphones in Car, Headphones Only, and Never. Tap Always if you want your iPhone to announce calls all the time. Tap Headphones in Car to announce calls only when you're using headphones or connected to a car Bluetooth system. Tap Headphones Only to announce calls only when headphones are in use. Tap Never if you want to turn off call announcements completely. Select the options that suits your preference. For example, is Always. Go back to Settings main screen to save your changes. On the settings again, go to Sounds and Haptics. Make sure your ringer volume or ringtone and alerts are turned up so the announcements can be heard. If using Bluetooth headphones or AirPods, make sure they're connected properly. Test the feature by having someone call your iPhone. Your iPhone should now announce the caller's name or number based on your contacts. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.